So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyles. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem, Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this, every website has super strict GDPR rules now, and we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Did you get it? Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know, I like bod mod, so It is I. Some dude on a computer, aka Orbem Order. What's up? Sorry, I'm finishing my chew. What? Excuse me. Indy, thanks for the cheer, man. I forgot that bits worked on my channel. I also forgot whether actual follows work. I haven't been followed in a very long time. Okay, Matt Rose Monday. Start off with a bang. Go.
Great. The new GoDaddy Arrow has AI marketing tools to help small...
You ever had it where despite repeated attempts you just kept, I'm a home alone, a home almone, a home anal dome, good, smiling face with horns, Hemalodon, home alpne, hello nine, help! What are you doing? Home alone, home alone, home alone, home alone! Could be you've got wet fingers, left them speechless, speechal sore, speechla, apsakla, speechless, specialist, speechless. Could be you're wrestling with autocorrect. Kira eventually typed Y, but not before texting. Witty, witty again, Egypt. Could be you've momentarily blanked on the spelling. My mouse didn't fizz up. Mouse? Oh no, not your mouse. How'd you spell it? Mouse. Or could be a combination of factors, but usually exacerbated by typing too fast. Do you like lasguba? Lasagna. Lasguba.
Lasguba.
Pasta food. Yeah? You're typing too fast to make a mistake and panic, and now you're typing even faster to fix that mistake, and before you know it, you've asked if the bag usually used for food is in the cat. Can. Darn it! C-A-R. 3 attempts is just about acceptable. Pause. Red wing, red wind, rewind. 4 is definitely noticeable. No pod, rather side. DJ E, dick, die. 5 is starting to look very messy. Also, I like the Capricorn keychain you got me. I'm glad you like it. I have pieces, pices, pickers, pies, pickies, however it's spelled. 6 attempts. Right, well, people are talking about you now. What's an onion? Opinion. Onion. Onion.
Of the onion. The dice and onions and onion.
Opinion. And anything beyond that is just madness. The thing is, there is nothing to eat. Lol. Oh my god, I want Oro. I mean, Roro. I mean, Bro. O-R-E-O. Fuck's sakes, I hate this. Hey, don't worry. Between r/I had a stroke and Twitter, you're definitely not alone. A few attempts at saying braces. Box I have to go to the dentist because I have braces. Beaces, beak. I have a beak. Breckies, braces, tear, Ugo. Tessa tries to spell noise. I don't want nose, nice nose, noir nose, noose. Stop. I am eating proportion. Peppites, pee-pee, pepperoni. Pepperoni? Yes, pepperoni. Pizza emoji. I have to beware myself. Mental tilt. Meal try. Mentally. Mentally. Oh my god. Lol, Willy's at the ready. Will be muddy. Kiss. Ellies. Well, it's wellies. What do you say used to progaxum? Sorry, what did you do? You used to program. Sorry about that. What do ye use to program? So sorry. What do you us to program? For Kajak. Fuck. What do you use to program? Oh, Java Eclipse. Oh my god, I typed too fast. My dad doesn't want to go. He's a cockroach potato. Parafgaga. Pitwoward. Potato. Petito. Dad's attempts to spell Volvo. It's a Baba Valvo. Fucking phone. Won't say the word Volvo. No, Volvo. V-O-L-V-O. Bow. Valvo. Fuck it. Sad. I present to you all an absolutely catastrophic attempt to type Donald Duck, Donald Dyko, Donald Robbie, Donald Dick, Donald Dan, Romeo's gig, Donald Doggo. I am no longer a mildly greyish purple. I am Gren. Green. Dabba-dee-dabba-die. Our Lord and Savapur, Deviro, Saviour, Daviory, Sassoir. Here's Kevin.
Ça
Hey,
soit.
Jag. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jag. Happy birthday to you. Close enough. Why did it take me so long? It was from a fucking priest. Orst. No. Pruist. Pros. Priest. Dinley. I mean, finally.
Dinley.
7 attempts for Paris. Duck. Fuck! Would you like to see a parda, pana, panda? Yes. Dead Serb.
Yes.
Is it? Serb? Svir. Surfgiver. Svebeva. Take your time. Sorveveva. Sergva. Server. Yes, it's dead. Okay. My friend tried
Yes,
to
it's dead.
spell
Okay.
basis. Daily babies. Daily babies. I'm literally taller than my mum and my sister. My sister's 4'11 and my mum's 5'3. Daily babies. Daily babsis. Daily babies. Fuck. Basis. Daily babies. Fuck. Mantis attempts to spell the word unboxing. At what point does common sense kick in? Like maybe cutting into a full battery isn't a good idea? Unbosing. Unbosing. Unvoxing. Unhoxint. You-bosing. You-hosint. Unbosing. Are you okay? Donald Ducko. Donald
you
Dick
okay?
again. Donald Devo. Donald Dick again. Donald Tony. Can someone get me a Oogmella? Right, a Oogmella. A ho 6 meeb. A Oogmella. What? A Happy Meal. My ears. Ears. Gnomafa. Gnobs. Gnobums. Gnob. Pyak Wiener. Painer. Pion. Pano. Piano. Finally! You should get Twitter, pink heart emoji. Twipper, Twitter, Twitter, the bumhole, yes. Bunhole, bum
Yes.
home, bin Leon, Bunifme, bum home, bunhole, bumhole, OMG. My friend tried to spell asshole. I think, Adele. Oh, fuck, autocorrect. Adele. Asleep. Apparently I forgot how to spell look for a solid 2 minutes. Autocorrect is on, it kept changing it. Yes, these are the walls I loom at, I loot at, I book at. Nook, hook, mook, god damn it. Loon, boon, coon, kook, joke, look, finally, fucking hell. Donald, dunno, Donald Doggo? Oh look, it's solely Doggo Dom. Alright,
Solely Doggo Dom.
bitch, what? I live in the Pacific Ocean, for real. I'm live, I'm the... Oh, Atoanctingosum, Atlantic, Antickler, Atlantic. Help, take English classes. Atlantic. English is hard. Your native language is English, skull emoji. This is a bot command to let me explore. The Oxlaw. I say again, let me explore. I explore. You went exploring and found one common stone. They attempted to use bot commands, the end result being to make the OWO bot cry. This is an Uber Jason Statham job. You meant to type OWO cry, you muppet. You typed OWO say. OWO crew. Owl cry. OWO cry. Wow, cry. Ow, cry. Scriblio is... Oh, sorry. Sorry, Scriblio is hard. If you don't know, this is like online Pictionary, so you do have to type fast to be the one to guess the picture first. I played a couple games for research and saw pumpkins typed as Uwamakins, watermelons. My crappy skates drawing was guessed as stakers and cates, and in the chaos of trying to guess salt among sacked, seat, sail, and sort, even I accidentally messed up with sal tea. So a good source for this content.
Salty.
Pineapple, pineapple, pini, willy. Why, it's a teletubi, a teletubi, a teletubi, a teletubi, a teletubi. Keyboard, 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 keyboard. There's been a bulgrary, bulgarily. Anyway, where were we? I tried to spell reason. I have the urge to draw that girl for no reason. Reoasin, Rezoan, Reowausen. Respin? Garden aggregated as Reowsage. Reason, gosh. Final key, finally. Fuck. Damn. Attempts to spell matey. Are you a pirate? Oh, yes, Matty. Oh, meaty, Matty. Oh. I don't know what I'm telling you this, but a two-headed Cerberus is called a Orthrus. A one-headed Cerberus is called a dog. No shit, it's a dig sog dog. I'm eating cereal. Oh, I spelled Serlel wrong. Oh my god, cereal. C-E-R-A. Oh, C-E-R-E-A-L. Roblox. What you fooing, going, rowing, dong, going, foins? Help. Yes, Tom as always, the Sinalmus roll, Sonomy on the ol, Cunnaline toll, Sindwabam and dole, Sonoman dill, Cinnamon dole. Whoa, whoa, bucko. Cinnamon
Whoa,
cell.
whoa.
Almost. I mean almost. Cinnamon roll. You know what? I did mean almost. Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll. Yeah, you got this, bud. Jesus. Donald Stock. Why Spencer Coco? My friend trying to spell diaphragm, I think. Diaphragm. It's very hard to sepple too. Bell, spliff, spell. I smote, smart. Hi, Winnie, just a quick text. Wanted to say hi, hooray. Horses.
Heresy.
Hey. Hooray. Got no clue why it took so many attempts to say okay, but it took you through every emotion. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oi. Okay. One for r/I had a stroke. On the second day, tall, toop, toop. I'm out loud out. Laughing. Out loud. Laughing out.
Out loud.
Laughing
Laughing out.
Laughing out loud. Oh, Bennett Foley. Folly. Fog me. Doing Foddy. Dolly Ludden. Fuck. I give up. I don't know. What was bro even trying to say? Donald Such. Dunk. Donald Persdico.
Shut up.
Oh, you know what? Donald Duck.
Whatever you do, do it for us.
Donald
Have Harbor
Duck.
Freight.
Wow. That was painful. Yeah, I know some phones have like really bad autocorrect, but it's pretty damn funny. Well, happy Monday, everybody. What's on the docket for today? I don't remember. I guess I already talked to you. Bark, 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 bark. So what did we do? Did we finish the interactive crap? Was there a bug? Let's look at the code. It's been a little while, I don't remember. Do I even have my code open? Yes, I do. What? Oh, I was showing him how to do a pattern. Uh-oh. You know what that means. I actually don't know what that means. So, I guess we'll just ignore it. Because, the only thing I drink is coffee. So, if you're expecting some sort of scotch tasting, you would have to be right. Scotch time. Ooh, whoa. Scotch time. Scotch pouring ASMR. And I'm back. Ooh, it's good. I'm not gonna lie. Though today, the Scotch Advent calendar was pretty good. You're just spending all your bits now. Let's go, Scott time. I like it. Yeah. Ooh, what do we got? Yeah, day 9 was good. It was a good Scotch in the Advent calendar. Reminded me of day 4. So this one, I'm definitely getting cherry. Ooh, a little smokiness. Maybe it was my finger. Scott time all week. Yeah, I'm definitely getting some campfire mixed with cherry. I mean, peat's always underneath. A little sea breeze. Let's see what we got. It's a 10-year Lafroig. Extra peat. Yeah, definitely smoky. Little bits of, I want to say like grape candy. Definitely, maybe like romaine lettuce with a bit of a kick, like a black pepper. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh whoops, I gotta change the text. We are working on building WordPress game engine. There you go. So, thanks for all the bits. We're only 644 bits away from our goal. Whatever goal that means. I think it's like $10 or something. All right. What do we got going on here? I'm getting out of here. This was a fluke. You know what? I'm just going to close everything. Clean. And we're going to play from the start. And we're going to sign in, because apparently I wasn't signed in. Woo! Such a good little alert. Thanks. Alright, new game. We're starting free-ish. And I think I kind of worked out all the kinks here. Ooh, let's see if the interactive icon happens on the boss here. And look, it's the boss now. Oh, it doesn't. Isn't that funny? Why not? Let's find out. And indicator. Okay, it's right here. Something wrong with the... Oh, shit. I forgot. I have to switch all the characters now. Oh, it's not what I wanted to do. You fucking suck. Son bitch. You're making me re-log in like a psychopath. Come on, bro. Alright. Hey everybody on YouTube Shorts live feed. Feel free to chat, ask me questions. I'm building a WordPress game engine for this RPG video game here. Orbem Explorer based off of my novel series Orbem. Well, the series is Demonian Chronicles. I see a bunch of people jumping in and out. This is probably confusing to you. Alright. Oops. Go. There we go. And we gotta go to all the cutscenes. So, Salverson. Now, I have to create a goddamn trigger for everybody, which is slightly annoying. But I'll take it compared to the alternative. 2434. Alright. Thanks for loading. Oh my god. Take your time, bro. 2434. 2390. 2390. Height 100. Width 51. But I want to make it a little bit bigger. So height's going to be 120. So that means I need to go up 20 or go up 10. And then the width is going to be 20. So we'll do 71. And that means I need to go down 10 again. Cool. That should twerk. And then... So that's the position Wait, what? Yeah, this is the cutscene. Shit. I put it in the wrong spot. What is this, then? What am I using explore point position for? If that's not the cutscene trigger. Anybody remember? Hey! Yes, I am only using WordPress. Red Pip? Well, I mean, vanilla JavaScript and Sass styling on the front end. But yeah, everything, all the assets are being delivered directly from WordPress. All the data, all the images, everything. Well, I'm just going to switch these over because I obviously don't remember what that's for. But I know it's not for the trigger. Hey, Duck Dude, how's it going? Whose arms are stole? What? What does that mean? Was that a typo? Because I don't understand. Any design pattern? Nope. Nothing special. I developed this custom theme myself for my marketing website. I mean, orbem.com right here. So I developed this theme for my book series and all the other stuff, music, and you know, merch, that kind of stuff. So I'm building the game into the website directly. Website's built in WordPress, so I'm building the game engine in WordPress so that I can have the game, you know, directly in here. Doing great, how are you? Hey! C Films, welcome my friend. Yeah, so it's just using a Sass styling here that I compile with Gulp. Old school Gulp. Yeah, nothing special though. I'm a web developer, been doing WordPress programming for about 16 years. And, you know, used to work for Disney, Universal, Warner Brothers. Made my way around all the studios and, you know, investors.com. And, yeah, just been doing it for a long time. Twitch chat white. I don't know. That's weird. Why is it? Oh, no, you mean for the code, are you using any design pattern for the code? What's a design pattern? I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not up with your lingo. I'm using PHP for the background, vanilla JavaScript. Are you talking about the front end? Is that what you mean? Because the front end, I'm just using vanilla JavaScript. I am not familiar with design pattern for code. Design, like BEM? You talking about like that for styling? And it's kind of like a style of styling. Use force dark pages. Yes, that'd be smart. Alright, and we'll do engagement. Okay, this one should work now. You're having trouble with labels on the while loop for checkboxes. What's the problem? Like the way it's outputting on the front end, or styling trouble? What kind of trouble? Alright, let's see. Did it work? You made someone rage in Fortnite because they hit me for 185 and then I beat them after. Damn. Well, they should have killed you the first chance they had. Alright, do we get indicator now? We do! Okay, so he is now indicatable. Oh, don't worry, you're not experienced with this, but the way you structure the code for a purpose... Oh, like MVC framework for backend. So there's more for game dev, but haven't studied that much. Ah. No worries here. No, I'm not. following anything special. I just build. I'm building the game as if it's a web, application. I'm basically building it like this is a web page, and there's interactive bits on it, just like accordions and sliders and stuff. Every time you click on something, something changes and moves. It's the same thing. I'm just using like the keyboard inputs to move the person, and I'm using like spacebar to interact, like I just did right here. Oh no, we lost him. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to fix this. And yeah, for the talking bit though, I use JavaScript-based frequencies. Based off of the word length, it changes the frequency tone. Goodbye. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to track, or this should have gone away actually. But I'm guessing there has to be a reason why this isn't going away. I think once it's over, it should actually stop that shit. Let me see. Does seem like it's working though. Indicator. Yeah. Yeah, that way it's like, that's what I do. I'm a web developer, so I know exactly how to make it. And I'm not using Canvas or anything, so the code is really readable for me on the front end. It's easy to troubleshoot and stuff. What's up? You have two different errors. A form label is present, but does not contain any content. Okay. A form control does not have the corresponding label. It's weird. Must be something broken in your HTML then, huh? Got like a closing tag or a forward slash somewhere it shouldn't be. So we got trigger indicator. So this is, I think this is correct. Yeah. Let's just double check actually. Trigger. No, I don't care about trigger indicator. I care about it going away. How do we make the indicator go away after it's over? So when it's done, I guess what I was doing maybe is stopping it after the mission was done, but this isn't a mission, it's just a normal talk. Do you have a Twitch and Twitter? It's better for me to interact. Yeah, you can jump on Twitch. It's Orbem order, same as my YouTube on Twitch. Just yeah, at Orbem order or orbem.live takes you right to my Twitter. I mean my Twitch. You can jump on with everybody else. And yeah, make sure you follow too. On the Twitch. Much better conversations on there. I mean, format wise. And you can see the full screen too. I know you're on YouTube Shorts live feed right now. Orbem.live. ORBEM .live. Cutscene. Let's see if it has a video. Once you join, you can never leave. It's true. I don't like to tell people that though. Trying to put a label on checkboxes in a column. Ooh, in a table? I don't think you could put checkboxes in a table. maybe you can. Hey, there he is.
Raptor_MK just followed.
Raptor_MK. Hey, what's going on, Raptor? Welcome to the Twitch. Mon, as we like to say here. Alright, here's after cutscene. I need to close any indicators. Yeah, that's way better. Yeah, welcome in. Now we're looking for... Okay. Yeah. So, in this case... Where do I, like, close shit? Remove items, remove NPCs, path trigger. Yeah, it's kind of just after the cutscene is over, right? Okay, so we'll just do it here. Indicator equals, and there's only one indicator icon for everywhere, so it makes it a lot easier to query. Indicator icon, we got you, buddy. I just move it around depending on who you're talking to. Alright, hide indicator. If the indicator dot class list dot remove and engage. Grand. That should work. Ba-ba-ba-ba-doo-boo-boo. Yeah, so like I said, I've been doing WordPress for a very long time. And used to be in California. Hey, look at that. It won't go away after I touch it. How big did I make this trigger? I don't knows. Let's see here. Everything seems right. Here's this. This is the cutscene trigger. Yeah, when you're outside the cutscene trigger, it should hide it. Did I break that somehow? Let me see here. Indicator. So that's... Yeah, that engages the cutscene. We made that work. This triggers the indicator. Twitch. Right. And if it's engagement... Oh no, if it's not engagement. Yeah, that's right. I have an engagement though. So it triggers the indicator. See here, right here. This should be what's happening. But it's not. And I don't know why. How come this isn't getting triggered? Let's see here. If it's a... Oh, is it a hazard? No. Is drag me? No. Does the value class list contain engage? How was this working before? Is this not the right thing to do? This is for the weapon. Obviously, I am missing something. This should just be like else, right? I mean, I guess I should add the both. Yeah, because I want this to happen either way. In both cases. That's kind of weird, though. I don't like duplicating code, but let's just see if this fixes it so I know if it's the real problem. Yeah, it starts, but when you go out... Derveered indicator goes away. Yeah, I mean, it's doing what I want. I feel like it was doing what I want before, though. Maybe the other people were different, though. Yeah, lets me interact. Yeah, I'm leaving it. Alright, indicator went away. And he's on his way to his office. Cool. Let's go follow him. Alright, now we're in his office. Oh, I gotta redo him too. Alright. Back. CEO office. And now we go to the other character. So each character has their own post. Each cutscene has its own post. And I combine, you know, I say where they're going using a taxonomy, like this. This is the explore area. So I decide where the cutscene is going to go, or the character is going to go, using custom taxonomies and custom post types for all of these. These are all custom post types. What's on my stream avatars? Ooh, weapons. Okay, so this is the character. We're just trying to get some coordinates here. 1741. Oh, that's right. He already has a trigger. I just need to change it to engagement. And nice. Or do I? No, in this case, I don't. We'll make this auto. Let's actually test out if auto works. Because in this case, once I get close, it actually moves me to a position where the cutscene should start. And you'll see when I do it right now. Okay, so when I get close to him, like if I'm over here, it'll walk me to the center. See, I'm not even touching it. And it walks me to the center. I don't like that his picture's not showing up though. It's really annoying. I wonder why it does that. Definitely a bug I'm gonna have to fix. Alright, and then you have an indicator. No. Why not? So yeah, something's going on, because these were working last stream. And now all of a sudden, these triggers aren't triggering. I'm in the trigger. But the indicator's not getting hit. Why? Why you do that? Did my database get reset without me knowing? What the hell? Let's check Andy's. No, see? We got cutscene trigger right here. Engagement. Yep. Good to go. Uh-huh. So the trigger's there, the cutscene's there. So the only difference, let's see, what does it say? Data triggers true. Trigger types engagement. What's the big fucking deal, bitch? Let's check. Okay. So, nope. This is what should be getting triggered. Why you no get triggered? Because engage and cutscene and false has been viewed. Oh, has it already been viewed? I don't think so. Class does not say been viewed, right? I know I haven't viewed it, but at least I could tell if that's the problem. No, it doesn't say been viewed. So I think this is good. I mean, it couldn't have been what I just changed, because I didn't touch anything there. Trigger cut. Wait, is this the right one? Trigger item creation. No, it's the walking. Trigger cutscene if overlapping cutscene trigger item. Yeah. So false. Correct. Cutscene does exist. Yes, Stack Dude. A mulberry? I don't think so. I think I've had it in some jam, though. Mulberry. That's what I'm thinking, if I remember correctly. Okay, so cutscene trigger. Everything should be good. All right, we're gonna do some consoles and see what the hell's going on here. Should be easy to find out though. If I could type, let's just see if the cutscene exists, and then let's see if value. Let's just see the class name. And then whatever. That should work for now. Yeah, because then it goes into here. And it should trigger this. Oh, let's see what position is too. There we go. This should give us a good indicator what the hell's going on here. You've been watching Chainsaw Man today? Yeah, you said you were liking that, right? I still need to watch it. I have not. To be honest, I started rewatching Trigun, the original 90s anime Trigun, for like the 1000th time. Still one of my favorites. Can't help it. So I have not caught up in newer ones because I'm still stuck in the past. Whoa. Oh, okay. Oh, stuffing in triggered. So what do we got here? Andy? Correct. Yes. Cutscene? Correct. Trigger? Class name? Yeah? Well, it doesn't have engage in it. I wonder why I give a shit if it has engage in it. Oh, false. Okay, so then that's true. There is no engage. The cutscene exists. Class name has that. False. Yeah, there was no been viewed. Oh, I don't know actually. Was there in the cutscene? Was there? No. That's false. And true equals cutscene trigger. Is that true? Wait, which one is it? The value? Yeah. And value is the second one. Cutscene trigger. So everything's perfect. Now my guess is that the indicator is showing. It's just something wrong with the styling. Hold on. Yep, it's right here. So what's the big deal? Indicator icon. How come it's not keeping engage? Oh, that's weird. You know what it is? It's because I just added this else statement. It must be hitting that for some reason. So I can't just have else. Okay. I need a better... Because... True or drag me. See, that's confusing. Because I'm removing engage right when I do it. Where am I adding engage, though? That's the real problem here. Yeah, I don't know. Orbem. Alright, let's see. Let's check Discord. Ooh. Welcome to the Discord. Alright. What am I looking for? Oh. Whoa. That's me and something you're playing. Is that Fortnite? Very cool. I can't tell. Okay, it is Fortnite. Look at you, Fortnite. I don't know. What am I? Is that something cool? I don't know Fortnite. What? Dak dude, are you giving me random shorts? Nice. That is very true. There is a scale to high. Oh, whoa. Nice setup. Did you have your birthday party this weekend? How'd it go? How'd it go? How'd it go? I must know. Yeah? Went well? Sweet. Everybody like your decorations? So, the problem is... I need to only do this yeah. How about this? We'll have to do this if value equals cutscene trigger. Maybe. No, that doesn't make sense. Maybe else if false equals value dot class list includes cutscene trigger. How about that? I don't know. Maybe. Ooh. Right? Because if this is true, then we don't want to remove it. Alright, let's try it again. No. No bueno. False equals cutscene trigger. Well, does that mean that it... Yeah, I don't know. We might need to actually revert this and then come up with some new logic. I need better logic for removing the indicator than just default. Because what I'm running into is a cutscene trigger. Yeah, so I felt like that logic was correct, but whatever. Yeah, it just doesn't make any sense. Like, why is this working? And then if I go away, it goes away. Like, why? That means that it's either a hazard, it contains engage, which doesn't make any sense. How less than 30 seconds? How less than 30 seconds? So that's me. How less than 30 seconds? So that's me. Psycho. Let's make sure I clicked on the right link. Indy. Alright. Okay, what the hell? I want to know. It's just, you can't console log in here because it just goes insane. Because this is a 20 millisecond interval. But definitely one of these things are true. I just know that it's got to be the engage one. But that doesn't make any sense. Where did the engage come from? Because I know it's not from his trigger. Right? Oh, is it the indicator? And I also don't like that it's constantly adding engage. Let's see. Where's trigger indicator? Here we go. So false contains engage. Yeah. See? Thanks for the bit. Yeah. The problem is that my hands keep exploding. The problem is that it's turning off and on, back and forth. That's the problem. And I wish it wouldn't do that. It's a good song. You're gonna run out of money. So this is not good logic, because this is constantly getting hit, okay? And now it's going between this and this over and over, and they're switching back and forth. Because it has engage, then it goes to this, and it removes engage. And it adds engage, and it removes engage. And like, that's just bad logic, performance-wise. We just need a way, hi Andy, of like knowing when you're on a trigger, a cutscene trigger, and the cutscene trigger has the engagement type engage and not auto. And we have this overlap logic already, you know. And this is what's saying, okay, you're overlapping with an item. And then this goes through a bunch of conditions, like what kind of item are you overlapping? And then based off of what you're overlapping, it does something. So in this case, we have like, we're overlapping a cutscene trigger. Oh no, it's not a cutscene trigger. We're overlapping a trigger that's not cutscene. Some other cutscene. I mean, some other trigger. I think it's, oh yeah, it's the enemy trigger. Why are oranges named oranges, but an apple ain't named red? Eating a burger without honey mustard. What? And this is NBC Walk. So like we're overlapping. Just feel like this is pretty good, but the engagement on the indicator logic is just not great. Because it's more about like this logic that's not great. You know what I mean? And why am I doing that twice if I have this already? Oh, no, yeah, that's right. Let's turn this off for a second. Let's see if we can make this logic better. Paracetamol. I don't know. Never heard of it. So this should start the indicator and then it shouldn't go away. Okay. So let's see. Is the indicator constantly getting engaged still? Indicator. No. Okay, so I got it once and now it's done. So that's cool. And when I go away, I want it to go away. So this is basically overlapping and then not overlapping. Yeah, that's not great logic. Nice. What's a Smisky? I don't know what that is. Does not sound familiar. And I know I'm using the same logic to like remove everything. Okay. What is this? Reminds me of the guys from Princess Mononoke. Oh, there's a lot of them. What? Bed. How do you buy these? Are they like rubber? Like what are they? Oh, we have ads. Yes. I mean, if we made one that was specific for just indicators. Also, if false equals value. Didn't I already try this? Dot class list dot contains cutscene trigger. Or true. True equals. Yeah. Right? Right, because one of them is, yeah, and we're not overlapping. Yeah. Then I would do this. This might be what I'm trying to do. You watch Hayao Miyazaki too? Yeah, of course, man. I've seen them all. I was just watching Valley of the Wind. And I was actually very impressed. It's one of that was like the last one I watched. I watched Princess Mononoke and the Valley of the Wind one, and those two were much better than I expected. Because I always just watch, Howl's Moving Castle, My favorite's Castle in the Sky. That's my favorite. And then Spirited Away and all those cool ones. But yeah, I always shied away from Princess Mononoke. I had no idea what Princess Mononoke was about, apparently, because when I watch it, I'm like, oh shit, it's like mostly about this dude with a demon arm. Like that's way different than what I was expecting. I thought it was just gonna be about her running around the forest. Okay, now it's turning on and not turning off. Alright, so it's still not... Oh, wait. I think contains doesn't need the dot, right? Yeah. I always mix that up. Blah. Blah. There we go. Alright, now is it constantly adding engage when I'm on it? Let's see. Yes, it's still doing that. Which I don't quite know why. It really shouldn't be. Like, it shouldn't be constantly hitting it. Now, I'm not sure if it's constantly adding engage or trying to, or if it's just constantly hitting it. But let's try to not have that happen. Because we definitely want the indicator. Yeah, because right now it's basically like, hey, if it can do it, engage with it. So I'd like to like only have it do it once. But in order to do that, I need access to the indicator. So let's actually add that up higher. Higher than this if statement. There we go. And now I should be able to check if, yeah, this. False equals in, well, first, true equals indicator. And false equals indicator dot classless dot contains engage. Okay. So now it should only hit it once. Once it has engage, leave it alone. Yeah, okay. Let's check if, oops. Indicator. Alright. So now let's see, are you constantly getting hit? Still getting hit. Weird. Yeah. Still getting hit. Is it changing anything? Or is it just fucking with the class, though? I don't know. Maybe we should just add a console inside to see if it's actually getting hit. False equals indicator classless contains engage. Let's see how many times hey gets hit. Did you check the DMs? Yes, I did. And I saw your benchy. How dare you? You want to see mine? This is my benchy that I just printed when I got the new printer. How long did it take you to print yours? An hour. It's pretty good. Mine, on my FL Sun T1 Pro, took 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Imagine what you could do if your printer printed a Benchy in 5 minutes. Yeah, it was crazy. And it was the first time I ever saw it run, too, so I was like, oh, shit. It was very aggressive. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh. Show me the hay. Yeah, see? It's just haying it up. Okay, so that's not good. So then that means that it is actually actively removing the engagement. I do not know why. So how is this true the whole time? What if I instead put this up? No. I don't, because this actually does other things too. Or does it? I think this is only for cutscenes. Yeah. So I should be able to do this. Yeah, I should be able to do this. Actually, part of this. Though, it shouldn't matter. Right? Maybe it matters. I don't know. Let's try that. Try again. One more time. Did I compile? Okay, it's compiled. Go! Yeah, no, it doesn't care. Shit. Alright, doesn't care. One goddamn bit. It's just weird because I know that it's hitting a bunch of items over and over every 20 milliseconds. That means that this is getting hit when another item comes through the loop. So I think... So there's another cutscene trigger, obviously. That's the problem. There's another cutscene. So I would need to know that an indicator for another cutscene trigger wasn't engaged before removing it. So it's not enough to know that it's a cutscene trigger that isn't being overlapped. I need to know that none of the cutscene triggers are being overlapped. That's hard. So what's another indicator then that I'm not touching any cutscene trigger? I would need, because right now when I overlap this, nothing happens other than indicator engage. So I would need to add engage to the cutscene trigger. So, because it would be this. It'd be document dot query selector. It would be this cutscene trigger engage. So if this exists, no. Yeah, it would have to be like null equals that, or undefined, basically. Imagine 3D printers in 10 years. Yeah, I know, right? You're gonna re-level the printers so to a different number. Ooh. You connected your printer to your PC and now you can monitor the temps. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, that's a pretty new technology for me. I do like it though. So yeah, if this doesn't exist, then go ahead. I guess we can try that. But we have to add engage. Okay, so where's engage getting added to other items? So it's more like this right here. So it's overlapping. Where do you add engage? I know I talk about it, but do I do it anymore? Maybe I should do it here. Right? Where would that be? That would be value. Well, what's the item? I think it's value. I.classList. And engage. Let's try that. And then here, no, when you go off it, which is, yeah, where am I doing all the removals? I mean, basically right here. I don't know. This might just have a race condition now. Mount Rushmore. You're very happy your mom got you the printer. Hell yeah, man. 3D printers are great. Imagine all the physical items you can create and design. Alright, let's see if it works now. Indicator. And here's the cutscene trigger. Alright, there we go. I'm over it. It added the engage. It's no longer hitting it. Let's see if it removes it. It did. That was it. We did it. Yay. Well, the only thing now is I gotta make sure I didn't break something else. There is a spider web of logic here. The way things interact with each other when it comes to overlapping. But this is pretty good. Awesome. Still works. You know, I should put an indicator icon on signs as well, so you know you can interact with them, because right now you don't. Oh, shit. She came out of nowhere. Look at that. She has an indicator too. I guess I should talk to her. I'm your onboarder. Great. Great. Thank you. Out of my way, chick. Just kidding. Just kidding. She's not just some chick. She's the chick. Alright. Let's set up our lab. See if we broke anything else. I mean, should I add indicators to everything? Should there be a different indicator icon if you can interact with it, but it's not like a talking thing? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Let's make sure we didn't break the cutscene area. But I think I'm going to be cutting out a little bit early tonight. We have people in town and can't be streaming all night, keeping everybody up. Hair. Okay. So that seemed to work. I don't have a mission. Everything's good to go. We have our characters. That all worked fine. She has throwing swords, which we still have to fix. And she put the fire out. Now we need to disarm the rocket before it explodes. So far, so good. Dum 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 dum. And as you can tell, she's super fast. She's the fast girl. Also, she was your onboarder. Go. Shit. Uh-oh. She can't punch. Why not? Oh no. What did I break? Uh-oh. Did something get indicated and now I didn't turn hitting back on? But Jeannie was able to. Oh no, now she can't either. Shit. I can't punch anymore. Why can't I punch? This would be good to know. Yeah, I was able to punch down, but I wasn't able to punch again after that. I like how I'm able to phase into objects. Really gotta fix that. You can diagonally phase into things. Not good. Okay. I obviously disabled... Let's see. What was it called? Can hit or something? No. Hit. Something hit. Allow hit. Oops. Okay, so allow hit is false right now. Shoot. Let's find out why. Did the indicator get triggered? Uh-oh. There is no indicator. That's not great. Okay. So the indicator is not transferring between areas. I think I knew that was a problem already. So now it should work fine. Yeah. Well, let's see if it still doesn't work. Oh wait, what the hell? Why is it showing that? Ooh, something didn't trigger. That's not good. Disarm is still here. No, that's still there. That should not be here anymore. The only thing I can think... Well, it triggered that, though. What is in the orb? Explore points. Did we get... Iona? Rocket fire. Okay, so that's gone. But the fire extinguisher is not gone. Shit. That's not great. Not great at all. This is one of the more annoying. Yeah, so put out fire triggered. What is it called? It's called persist. Yeah, that didn't get hit. Shit balls. So that means it's still there? Yep. This did not get added. I hate this one. Okay, what's wrong? Well, I actually think this is a really good place to stop. I don't want to dig into this bug again. Oh, the persist item stuff is very annoying. What I'm going to end up doing is restart the entire game. I did a lot of JavaScript changes, you know what I mean? So it's possible that I screwed up the explore points, you know, associative array while I was saving items that were being persisted. So I'll restart, play from scratch, make sure everything's working fine, and yeah, whatever. We'll basically figure out if that is the problem, or if I actually have a bug in the code now that I changed a bunch of shit. So, that being said, how about we do a nice early raid, just to say thanks. Quarterian and Bishop, what the hell's that? I do not knows what that is. Is that a streamer you want me to raid? Quarter Neon. Alright, yeah, I haven't had a new person in a while. Was it Quarter? Oh, here we go. What do they do? Whoa. Oh, Dak Dude hit me with a video. Alright, we'll watch this last video. Oh my god.
My name's Rye, and I'm a guy. Let's see. I'm 643 feet tall. I weigh 3 pounds. They go to their homes, I go to mine. I go to take a dump. And when I say a dump, I mean a dump. It looks fine. It's actually uncomfortable. If I'm really honest with myself, I see Felix up there getting patted on the butt. Sometimes
On
I
the
think,
butt?
man.
And whatever you do,
Sometimes I
don't
think,
die.
man.
Because if you die outside your own game, you're game.
You're gay.
Ralph,
That's fucked up.
help you?
Hey, Felix. Just one of the dates.
Oh, thank you, Ralph.
Why is he here?
He's just here for a slice of cake.
And I'm a big part of the game, technically speaking. Why are you here, Gene?
You really outdone yourself, Mir.
On a planet with no name, a top secret experiment has gone horribly wrong. Trouble never takes a holiday. Neither should your insurance. That's all, State Stand. Are you in good hands?
It's messed up.
Why, it's Cubert. What brings you here, neighbor?
What's he saying, Felix?
Stand by.
Alright, I'm going to finish this video on my own time. Thank you, Dak Dude. Everybody have a great night. I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you probably tomorrow. So, thanks so much for everybody jumping on here. You are my friends. And make sure to follow, subscribe, everything, just so you can keep track of me. Bye!
Okay. Raiders, Orby Mortar, hello. I am making web backend in Golang. JSON. Really? Printf VN. Field names. Cheer. Well, hello. I'm just gonna do this. Does that just do it? Let's see. Printf.